is an assisted split squat. Now, there's multiple things that you can use to assist you here. You can use a TRX to hold on to. You can hold on to a wall or a squat rack. You can even hold on to like a dowel or broom pole or something that you have to give you a little bit of extra support, okay? So I'm going to start showing with the TRX assisted one. So when we do our split squat, we want to get into a position where we take, first of all, we start hip width apart and we take a nice long step back. Now, the leg that I'm loading is the front leg. The back one's just there to support, so most of that weight should be pushing through that front leg. So start hip width apart, I take a step back with that back leg. Now it'll take some time to kind of get used to what the ideal step back length is, but you want to get into a position where you're at about 90 degrees and 90 degrees. If you're too narrow, you won't have enough space, and if you're too long, it'll also feel like way too much of a stretch on that back leg. So it will take some time to get used to how long to step back. If I'm holding on to the TRX to assist me, I'm going to find that ideal position. Feet are pointing straight ahead. Nice stacked position through my torso. I'm going to lower myself down, push through that front leg. Now I'm trying to keep my torso as upright as possible, but that will depend on the kind of hip mobility that you have. You might be a little bit more forward. That's okay. So I want to really think about being heavy on that front foot, and you can't see it from here, but if I was assisted here, I'm thinking about which direction I'm pointing that knee. Now I'm pointing that knee straight between that big toe and that second toe. We don't want that knee to cave in or excessively out through the motion. So you'll do the prescribed number of reps on one side and then switch to the other side. Now, if this gives you any type of pain, just go through a shorter range of motion. So instead of going all the way down to touch the floor, maybe that means that we're getting stronger at this angle for a while first before we go any lower.